Hey folks, when you come into conflict with other people and you're already charged up, dysregulated, disconnected, discombobulated, you're coming into conflict at a serious disadvantage. And if you know how to regulate yourself, you know how to be with your upset, your pain, your emotions, your sensations, your charge, your triggers, then your ability to navigate conflict is going to go a lot better. You're going to be more adept in that challenging environment. So there's kind of two kinds of people I'm talking about. People who know how to be with their experience inside, and people who don't. And if you don't, no problem, but you've got to make a journey there. And you got to learn how to be with yourself and your emotions, sensations, triggers, right? Otherwise, you continue to act and react from that place. So how does one learn how to do that? Meditation is a great thing to do. I teach a very simple meditation called the Nester, which just allows you to be with uncomfortable stuff going on in here. That's one way, right? Another way is to breathe and take 10 slow inhales and exhales and try to regulate your breathing, right? You could do a cold shower. There's a lot of things we could do to get a state change. Bottom line, though, is that you want to have a handle a little bit or a lot on yourself before you go into a conversation that's difficult. And if you're already in the conversation that's difficult and you feel hijacked by your scared animal, and your scared animal is doing the talking, then you need to learn how to put a harness on that thing and reel it in and calm down and come back into yourself, during a stressful conversation. I think this is what the world needs right now, are more adept people that can be with their experience, because it's already stressful enough out there, right? When we have stress, which we're going to have if we're close, right? Two people, we got to learn how to deal with this. So I'm a champion for helping you find out and learn how to be with your experience, okay? It's what my wife and I work very hard to teach our kids, how to be with themselves in stressful moments. And they react, cool, how to come back into regulation after a stressful moment or a stressful event or a tantrum or something. How do we then come back into myself and reconnect from that place? So please learn how to be with yourself, all right? Come to one of my trainings, relationshipschool.com/training, to get a few more tips, and leave a comment below if this was helpful.